Hi guys, DIY Jeff here. Today I'm super excited to get to share with you my brand new project.
DIY Jeff, a place to find helpful how-tos and honest reviews.
So today's video is a little different. I'm going to be showing you all the projects that I plan to do on my car. This is a 2006 Ford Mustang V6, but it did come with some upgrades. It has the Steeda Pony package, and it also has an SCT performance chip. Structurally and mechanically, she's in really good condition, but there are some things that need some attention. In the coming weeks and months, I'll be releasing a series of videos that will address the individual areas that need attention. Here's a sneak peek of some of the projects I'll be working on. I'll be upgrading the front struts, replacing the stock rotors and brake pads with drilled and slotted rotors and ceramic brake pads. The Steeda Pony wheels need some attention, especially the lug nuts. I'm going to be sanding all of this down and repainting everything so that it looks really nice. I'll be replacing the tint on the inside windows as something has caused it to be striated. As you can see, the back window tint is all bubbly, so I'll have to replace that as well. This window tint's in good shape, but I'm going to be adding louvers to the rear windows. The front hood has several areas where the paint is peeled back from the aluminum, a typical problem on 06 to 14 Mustangs. And so I'm going to have to resand all these areas, sand the whole hood, primer those areas, and repaint the entire hood inside and out. The stripes need to be taken off and replaced. As you can see here, they're all peeling and cracking. There are other areas around the car that need some touch-up as well, like around the gas tank. The clear coat's going to need to be sanded down on the rear wing spoiler and reapplied. I'll also be replacing both rear shocks as both are not in good condition. And the rear brakes and rotors will also get an overhaul with drilled and slotted rotors and ceramic brakes. I'll need to get some panel clips for the trunk as most have broken off. And lastly, she'll get a complete full buff and wax of the entire car to make her look nice and pretty again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so. And also turn on those post notifications so you won't miss out on any of this exciting build, and you'll get notified every time I upload a new video.
DIY Jeff, a YouTube channel where I'm not gonna lie to you.